Chapter 2, Long and Short. Here we have the new chapter of 4th standard. Chapter 2, Long and Short. Here you can see a picture where two monkeys are standing. One monkey is having a short rope and another monkey is having a long rope. So this chapter is about measurements, measurement of length. Next you can see one tall man, one short man. One boy is having a long rope, the other girl is having a short rope. Now in this you can see one girl with long hair, the other girl with short hair. So here we see the measurements of length. How do you know one is longer and the other one is shorter? We will measure using scale, tape, etc. So what all things we will use for measuring length? In ancient times, ancient time means old periods, we will use, that is ancient. We will use footstep, rope, hand span. You study in lower classes, right? Hand span, arm length and all. In modern age, what we will use is ruler. Ruler means your scale, tape, etc. We will use. These two you will study in your higher classes. Okay. So these are the things which you use for measuring length. Now coming to a textbook activity, you can see some dots here. Many dots are here. You can see this. What you have to do is you have to measure the distance between these dots. I have done it. See, you can see here. A to B. A to B is 3 centimeter. B to C 5 centimeter. Use your scale and measure the length. Now, what you have to do is you have to measure the distance between these dots. Now you have to say which two dots do you think are farthest from each other. By measuring itself you will understand. Here I think O and M are farthest from each other. Which two dots are nearest to each other? I think it is O and D. What you have to do is you have to take scale, you have to measure and then write the answer. Next we have a small story that is about Akbar and Birbal. You might have heard about Akbar, right? Akbar was a famous king. Akbar was a famous king. He used to ask Birbal some difficult questions and Birbal will give some wise answer. This is what usually happens. So one day Akbar asked Birbal, Birbal, here is a line. Make it shorter without erasing. That means Birbal has to make this Akbar's line shorter without rubbing the line. So Birbal thought for a minute and then he drew one line bigger than Akbar's line. See, now Akbar's line has become shorter. If I am drawing a line, how will I make this line shorter? I will draw another line which is longer than this line. So the line has become shorter. Now coming to your family. In your family, many members are there, right? See, in this family itself, you can see 5 members are there. Father, mother, brother, sister, younger sister, many are there. 5 members are there. In your family also, many members will be there. What you have to do is, you have to measure the height of all your family members. Then you have to write who is the tallest in your family. If it's father, write father and write the measurement of his height. That means if it is 162 centimeter, you should write it as 162 centimeter. Then you have to measure the shortest in your family. That means you have to see who is the shortest in your family. Maybe your younger brother, your younger sister, or maybe you. So write the shortest. Then what you have to do is difference between their heights. Difference means what? You have to subtract. If it is, for example, if father's height is 162 centimeter and the younger sister height is 92 centimeter, You have to subtract and write the answer. Okay. Now we will do one problem from your reader. Make her right arm 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. What will you do? See, the answer is here. It's clear, no? We will draw one arm which is 1 centimeter longer than the left arm. Next is draw a cup 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. So you will draw one cup in your classwork, and then you will draw another cup which is 1 centimeter shorter than this cup. So here I have the answer. Next, draw another hair of double the length. So you can see for this old man, one small hair is here. You have to draw another hair of double the length. Now draw a broom half as long as this broom. So here you can see one broom. You have to draw another broom which is half the length. So answers are here. So you have to do this in your classwork. Now another question. Jamba once read a list of the tallest people in the world. One of them was 272 centimeter tall. That is just double of Jamba's height. How tall is Jamba? So height of the longest man is 272 centimeter. So what will be Jamba's height? It will be half of longest man. Half it is F. Therefore, Jamba's height is 272 divided by 2. The answer is 136 centimeter tall. So that's for today's